Hi, I'm Brad Wilson with King Electrical Manufacturing. If you're upgrading to a heat pump system like many people are doing, or even a conventional HVAC system and wondering what to do with your existing electric heaters, don't rip them out of the wall. Here's a smarter, more cost-effective solution. Today we are introducing the ThermaLink system, a 24-volt wireless multi-system RF thermostat kit with backup line voltage electric heat control. It allows you to integrate your existing electric heaters as backup heat without wall repairs, rewiring, or demolition. And here's why that matters. Electric resistant heat still has its place, especially during really cold snaps when heat pumps alone may struggle to keep up. With ThermaLink, you get the efficiency of a heat pump and the reliability of your existing current electric heaters, all managed automatically through a central wireless system. Now let's look at what makes this kit a game changer. There are three components to this system. The wireless RF thermostat. This is your main control center. It supports up to 3 stages of heat and 2 of cooling, and communicates wirelessly with both your heat pump and the electric backup heaters. It's battery powered right out of the box, but it also supports 24-volt hardwire installations to eliminate the battery maintenance that you might have. It is fully programmable with a 7-day schedule and can be placed anywhere in the room for optimal temperature control. The 24-volt wireless HVAC relay, now this connects to the heat pump or the HVAC system. It receives an RF signal from the thermostat to control heating and cooling without running new wires through the walls, which is a perfect retrofit application. The 20-amp heat relay module, now this fits a standard electrical junction box and replaces your existing line voltage thermostats and connects directly to your electric heaters. It's RF controlled by the same thermostat, allowing your backup heaters to kick in automatically when needed. For added flexibility, the system supports optional wireless RF sensors for customized control and further energy savings. There's an occupancy sensor that automatically sets back the temperature when the room is unoccupied. There is a window and door sensor that detects when the window or door is open and adjusts the heat accordingly. There is an outdoor sensor that activates your electric backup heat when outdoor temperatures drop below freezing. At temperatures below freezing, electric resistance heat becomes much more efficient than your heat pump, allowing you cost savings and comfort during those extreme weather conditions. There is even a master setback switch. One flip of the switch and all thermostats go into setback mode. Now that's smart. With ThermaLink, you can easily meet energy codes. Heat pumps handle the primary load, but the electric heaters provide backup during the demand spikes, keeping you compliant and very comfortable. There are 3 main ways to control the system. You can program a 7-day schedule, simply set your weekly heating and cooling routine, and ThermaLink maintains your set points automatically. Set the system up for occupancy-based control with the optional occupancy sensor. The system adjusts the set point based on room usage, ensuring no energy is wasted. Or simply make manual adjustments and override anytime for your personal comfort. Whether you're upgrading to a heat pump, relocating a thermostat, or dealing with missing wires, the ThermaLink gives you intelligent, wireless, energy-efficient comfort without any compromise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our Smart Energy Solutions from King.